Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township. Today I will show you how to create these icon boxes step by step in WordPress using Elementor. So here you can see that in these we have an icon and then we have heading and the description, and we can also add some of the extra features to the icon box. Today we will look into that. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So first of all, to create this section, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. So here in the dashboard, you have to go to your pages and you have to let me click on this edit with Elementor for my home page. Now here what I will do, we have to create these icon boxes, right? So let me take a single what I will do, I will click on this plus icon and I am going to take a single section with 3 columns. So as you can see that now I got a 3 column. I need to create this icon box. So what I will do here, I will search here in the widget section icon box, and you will get 2 types of icon box here. So now here what I will do, I can you can take any of this. So let me take the basic Elementor one icon box. So here in this Elementor icon box, you are having an option of only adding these icons in icon box, but here these are a special icon, or you can call it as images. So how we can do that one, we can go for this element kits icon box, and here we can add a image in an icon also. So what I will do, let me quickly upload some of these icon images by drag and drop, and then here you can see like I have uploaded 3 images over here. You can use any of this. So let's choose this one and then I will click on insert media. So now we have this as an icon box, and then you can add this organic search SEO as your title. So let me replace the title here, and then you can also this is the description and you can add it here in the description. After that, here you can see when I will scroll down, I can enable one button also if I want. So here you can see I have enabled that button, and here that learn more button is coming. And then here if you want to add icon to that button, you can add that one. If you want to add separate link to that button, you can do that one. You can change the label of that button also. And then here, like if you want to enable this hover watermark, here you can see when I am hovering over it, I am getting this watermark. You can also enable that hover mark also. After that, you can set the alignment position of the icon, like what will be the icon position, left or right or top or center. After that, here you can see we can enable the badges also if you want, but I don't need anything need any badges or anything, that's why I'm not adding it. So let me click on update and let me refresh the page, because here you can see like I am getting a different option there. That is the main reason here. So here in setting, I just want to icon position, I just want to set the icon position as top. Okay, content alignment, let's set the content alignment to center, and then here you can go to the style tab and you can customize your icon box according to it. Suppose here you can see that we need a icon smaller size, you can directly go to this icon and here you can set the width and height, custom width and height. Suppose let me set it the width to 80 and height also to 80, and that's all. Here our icon width and height we have set it. In the same way, if you can see like here in this we have a space between our heading and the icon box. How we can add that? So for that, here we have a title. So the only thing which we have to do, we have to add a 10 pixel top pad margin and a 10 pixel of bottom margin. In the same way, for the description also you can unlink it and you can add a 10 pixel top and 10 pixel of bottom margin for this description text also. If you want to add more like 15 pixel, or here also you can give it a 15 pixel top and 15 pixel bottom. So in this way you can set it. Now let me show you some of the more interesting features. So what I will do here, I need 3 icon boxes, right? Let me duplicate these 3 icon boxes here, and then I will show you some of the interesting features that you can create in this. So here in this icon box, you can see first of all we are getting this icon box container, right? We can set on hover. Suppose if you want to change the background color, you can set it like this. You can change the background color on hover of on your icon box. After that, here on hover you can set a hover animation like this. So when someone will hover on your icon box, the entire icon box will start hovering over it. In the same way, if you want, you on hover you can enable a box shadow. So what does this box shadow will do? Let me show you. So here, let me remove the animation, and now when you will see, when I am hovering over it, there is one shadow coming over to it. That is the box shadow which we can apply in this icon box. So these are some of the extra features for the icon box, like adding hover animation, adding box shadow to your icon box, and then you can adjust the spacing. And then these are some of the common features, like here you can see we can set the color for it also. Like suppose when we are hovering over it, the background color is changing to red, right, on hover. So here you can see we can set the title color on hover to white, so that it will visible properly. In the same way, when you will go to this content, and you can also on hover for the description text also, you can set the color white, so that when someone will hover, the entire color of the title and description will be changed to white. And then you can also set other things like icon hover animation. Those things I have already explained you in this video. So thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification of a new video every time. Thank you so much.